Nadwatul Ulama was an Islamic institution of Lucknow. It was made in India, and Lucknow is in the north of India. Do you know a large number of Muslim students from all over the world got admission in this institution, and the speciality of this institution was they taught all the subject in Arabic. One more thing, the very good thing about Nadwatul Ulama at that time in the British era, that was that it was not teaching only religious topics or classical Islam. It was also teaching modern sciences, and the main objective of Nadwa was, or Nadwatul Ulama was, reaching a middle path between classical Islam and modernity. The reason behind this, the people were having problem with modern education. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, they were having beliefs that if our children visited European school, they would be disbelievers. मीन्स वो डिसबिलीवर बन जाएंगे, काफिर हो जाएंगे. ये उनका एक आम बिलीफ था. तो फॉर दिस पर्पज द उलमा और मुफ्तीज और मौलानाज ऑफ डिफरेंट area of subcontinents started to make different institutions which were based on modern education as well as to give spiritual education, to give Islamic education. And Nadwa was the institution which was teaching both things, or both way of lives, or both, which was teaching both things, which was teaching modern sciences as well as classical Islam. Now if we talk about the founder of Ulmas or Nadwatul Ulama, that were Muhammad Ali Mohangiri, Ashraf Ali Thanvi, Muhammad Ul Hassan, Shibli Nomani, and this was the organization which was established in 1894. It was also called Organization of Scholars, and it was made to counter the challenge of Western education. Means it was providing Western education as well as classical Islamic education. The institution was intended to be modern version of Deoband. Mean Darul Uloom Deoband was providing Islamic education. On the other hand, Nadwatul Ulama was providing Islamic education as well as modern Western education. And the institution was intended to be modified version of Deoband. The foundation was laid by John Briscoe Hewitt, Lieutenant General of India, on November 28 in 1906. Basically, it was founded in Kanpur in 1894, but later on, the modified version of Deoband was established by John Briscoe Hewitt, Lieutenant Governor of India, in November 1906. Now, why was it named as Nadwa? Nadwa was named as Nadwa. It was inspired by a hall in Makkah where nobles used to assemble to discuss religious matter. Do you know Nadwa is a type of institution, and Nadwa is a type of what we call Safa type of universities or Safa type of institution in Makkah, where people used to assemble to discuss religious matters. वहाँ लोग इकट्ठे होते थे religious matters के लिए, और वो लोग जो इस पर discuss करते हैं जो religiously rich होते हैं. So Nadwa was eventually shifted to Lucknow in 1898 from Kanpur. Kanpur से पहले basically it was established in Kanpur. Later on it was shifted to Lucknow. I have told you in the start of the question that it is in north of India in Lucknow. Basically it was started in Kanpur, but later on it was shifted to Lucknow. It was updated. It updated the Islamic curriculum, and it also updated modern sciences, and it also updated vocational training. Means certain vocational trainings were also given in these types of institution, so the people or the children or so the students may be able to get skills in different fields. On April 23rd, 1894, a special session of 30 scholars convened a meeting or a discussion in which it was finalized and each and every guideline. On the other day, under the chairmanship of Maulana Lutfullah of Aligarh, Maulana Shibli Nomani announced the proposal. Means certain proposals were there. Education system needs a reform. We should establish more Western education, Islamic education, madrasa type of education. madrasa type of education and the principles of madrasa should attend the meeting. A federation of madrasa should be formed, means जिस तरह भी होता है दरस निज़ामी को एक पूरा होल्ड होता है, पूरा उसमें पूरा देखते हैं सब, फेडरेशन एक बना दी जाती है जो सब इंस्टीट्यूशन को देखता है. फिर मदरसा फैजुल आम हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ देनी चाहिए. फिर द रिफॉर्म्स इन करिकुलम वाज प्रपोज के करिकुलम शुड बी रिवाइज्ड, मींस इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन आल्सो. एंड नदवातुल उलमा, and the people, and the major aim of Nadwa was to bring all the sects of Islam irrespective of their beliefs into system of education. So the major aim of Nadwa was that all sects of Islam, means jitne firqe hain, they should, irrespective of their beliefs, they should be there in one type of or one system of education. There shouldn't be any Shia, any Deobandi, any Sunni, etc., etc.